Kate here with Notorious News Today. Thank you very much for joining me on the show today. And today we will be sharing with you a very important environmental story about the Amazon rainforest, as there has recently been great efforts to make sure that the Amazon rainforest stays alive. A major restoration project has recently been underway to make sure that life comes back to parts of the Amazon which are degraded. The programme, named as Amazon Sustainable Landscapes, involves lots of people, including the Ministry of Environment and Conservation International. They are aiming to restore roughly 30,000 hectares of the Amazon rainforest. That's the same as planting 73 million trees. This restoration project is incredibly important as the Amazon is home to species which are very unique and diverse. Lots of the animals in the rainforest are also at serious risk of extinction, so making sure they're protected is very paramount. This project is hoping to ensure that the Amazon lives on for future generations on Earth to be able to enjoy and see the Amazon rainforest as a thrive of activity for nature. This project is also a step in the right direction in reversing the damage that deforestation has done on the Amazon rainforest. What an amazing story that is, and what a good thing those people are doing with the Amazon. Okay, and that is all that we have got for you on today's show. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so. Subscribing to us is very much well appreciated. And remember why I do this. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And to watch a few more videos, make sure to click on screen as well. And I'll see you on the next video.